Come and meet the Kiwibird, he's one of a kind. He lives in the Catlins, it's not hard to find. He's an absolute legend, fun-loving too, the community at heart, proud Kiwi through and through. He likes a girl in gumbo cheese, the apple of his eye, crazy world of puppets, you'll laugh until you cry. Oh, come and meet the Kiwibird, he's one of a kind. Lives in the Catlins, it's not hard to find.
We've got to go and wake him up, Dad. Because
Okay, honey, okay.
he can't sleep in
Oh,
there. Who are you? You've got to get up now.
It's your birthday, mate.
It is.
Come on,
You're a
get
year
going.
old and all your friends are coming for a party.
Yep.
And look, we've got
Yep, we've got
special
that
little
all
finger
organised,
puppets for
yeah.
you. Beak puppets.
Somewhere
Beak
down the road
puppets.
anyway. Yeah.
Beak puppets is hard to say when you've got a puppet.
Yeah.
Ah, very hard.
What are you doing in the decorations, TeKiwi?
He does look funny. There, he's got it. Oh, isn't it such fun having everybody for the birthday? Yes. We'd better have some cake.
Oh,
do
some
we
cake.
have
Don't
got
forget
some
the cake. Yeah.
We-
Okay, here we go.
Shall we all sing?
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear TeKiwi. Happy birthday to you.
Blow out the candles.
Blow out the
Big
candle.
breath. Big
Come on.
Make a wish.
Ooh. Spinning around makes me feel really dizzy. Am I facing the right way? Here goes. Not too bad, eh? Yeah, nah.
This is a bit stringy in my beak. Where's the donkey? How'd I do?
Well, we didn't get the tail right on the donkey, but we're going to go riding. So the first thing, we'll go on a buzzy bee because it doesn't have a tail either. But after you have gone, oh, you're all right there. You're not feeling sick. Oh, no, after, we're going to go on a horse.
A real horse, mate.
And this horse has got a tail. It didn't
Yeah.
have to be stuck on. Oh, isn't he
I think his name
sweet?
is Farlap, is
No,
it?
this is Stouty Girl.
Oh, Stouty Girl.
Yes,
Right.
yeah, and she's lovely. Are you kids all there? You all happy? All
Yeah.
the puppets? Are you going for a ride?
Now we're going to pop
Yeah,
you on
I
this here
reckon,
horse.
actually, I think-
Yeah.
TeKiwi, would you actually like to ride? Oh, yes, all those puppets.
our
See all the friends that have
Our
come.
puppets
TeKiwi, are you all right?
amazing.
Then? Would you actually like to ride on the horse?
That would be the way
On
to go,
the
mate. Wouldn't
horse?
it?
I think so, because it's
Rather
your
than there.
birthday.
We're all
Kiwis
here.
Be brave.
Yes,
That's it. Hey,
that's the boy.
good on you, mate.
Look at him, he's on the horse. Oh, he's so good.
And let's
isn't
hit the
he?
Wackatown now.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
No, you
Just, this
okay.
is Main Street. Yeah.
take him away. Oh, yeah,
Ride
that's
him,
a good
cowboy.
photo,
Good on
Daddy.
you, mate.
Yes.
Yep.
Off
Full
we
speed
go.
ahead.
Oh, look how we poise away on the horse.
He's not doing too bad, is he? Yeah, I can see he's got a good grip on there. But
Got a
he's,
good
he's-
seat, a good seat.
Yeah, when I was young, I had to really hold on to the horse
Oh.
with my knees,
Oh, with your knee. Oh, well,
Yeah.
that's very hard, isn't it?
You can see he's developing a strength in the knees there.
Developing that, yeah. Oh, he's doing so
Yeah.
well.
And he's got his eyes on the horse too. Yeah.
Oh,
I think he's going to be a real jock, this guy.
Did you see the car that went past?
Oh, and he didn't
I
even
was,
jump.
No, and I was so
Wow, look at that. There's all sorts, aren't there?
Oh,
Well, I'm so proud of that.
I'm so
So,
proud of
yeah,
him.
isn't he neat? Look, oh, yeah,
He looks just at home here.
yeah,
I think he could go. Oh, you see, he's going fast. Oh, look, he's gone to a real trot. Oh,
Well, look at that. What style.
boy,
Yeah.
he's so good. I think we've got.
Whip him
somebody
along,
for
boy,
the-
whip
No,
him
no, no,
along.
no whipping, no whipping, Daddy, no.
Oh, okay.
Kiwi, was that fun?
Good on you, TeKiwi. Good on you.
Thank you.
We're so proud.
Thank you, Stouty girl. You did a good job. Oh, TeKiwi, are you tired?
Mm.